Owen and Jamie had been stuck in the house for too long. The homework was done until next month. They'd played every game, cleaned their room twice, watched every movie, and searched the entire internet 3 times over. Even the cat needed a break. Remember that movie where they sing about their favorite things? Mom asked. Owen and Jamie both nodded. Let's go for a little drive. What are your favorite things here in the city? Owen practically jumped up and down. Oh, let me go first. Jamie rolled her eyes. Oh, please. You're just going to say the skateboard park, donuts, and hockey. He ignored her. My favorite thing in the city are my St. John's Sea Dogs. I love going to every game. The incredible goalie saves, the last-minute shots on goal, the timer ticking down the seconds, penalty killing, overtime wins, the Memorial Cup. Hockey. I knew it, Jamie said. Well, what's yours then? He asked. My favorite thing is to go to Rockwood Park, Jamie said. I love wandering around the trails, sitting on the beach, exploring all over, and bird watching. But what I really love is feeding the ducks. They just come swimming and flying in when they see food. Not bread and junk food, but bird seed, corn, and oats. How about you, Mom? Mum smiled. My favorite thing is living by the water. I love to watch all the different boats come in the harbor. All the sailboats gliding by, those huge cruise ships coming in, the container ships and tugboats, all doing their jobs. Owen started nodding. Yes, I love it down by the harbor too. You know what's really cool? That old fort that's down on the water. It used to be just a little hill with a sign, and now there's a big fort with cannons and a blacksmith and everything. Fort Latour, Mom said. Oh, yes, that's so cool. Jamie shook her head. Yes, yes, Fort Latour is cool, but you know it's just amazing. Partridge Island. So much history on that island. A lighthouse, a fort. Wouldn't it be so neat to visit? It's so close, but so far away. That would be amazing, Owen said. That would be an adventure, all right, Mom agreed. But if you want to see something closer and easier to get to, there's the Irving Nature Park. I love all the trails running along the water, all the different beaches you can get to, the views of the Bay of Fundy, feeding the birds and the squirrels, the barbecues, Saints Rest Beach, the observation tower, and all of the interesting programs by the staff. By the river is great, Owen said, but what's really amazing is playing hockey in the frozen Kennebecasis River. You already said hockey, Jamie protested. You can't say it twice. I can too. The first time was watching hockey. This time it's playing hockey. Anyway, as I was saying, playing hockey on the frozen river. Ice as far as you can see, no boards holding you in, nothing but a huge rink all around you. It's almost like visiting another planet. Mum laughed. Do you want to know one of my all-time favorite places in the city? Where? The public library, Mom said. I used to take you there for babies in the library when you were small. Then we go to toddler time and summer reading club. We still go for school research and to get fun books to read. Feels like you grew up in the library. I still get all my favorite authors there. Love that library, Jamie said. Me too, Owen said, but not as much as I love the skateboard park, donuts, and hockey, of course.
Do you like to read, read, read? I know a place where you can go.